Making amends, the path to repairing relationships. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a very interesting and meaningful phrase, making amends. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English skills but also give you insight into an important aspect of social interactions. So, let's get started. Making amends refers to the act of repairing a relationship or situation after someone has done something wrong. It's about acknowledging mistakes, showing remorse, and taking steps to correct the harm caused. This phrase often appears in contexts where someone is seeking forgiveness or looking to restore harmony in a relationship. The term amends comes from the Old French word amender, meaning to correct. Over time, making amends became a common phrase in English, used in both formal and informal settings. It's often used in apologies, reconciliation talks, or when discussing moral or ethical dilemmas. Let's see some examples to understand how making amends is used. 1. After realizing his mistake, John decided to make amends by apologizing and replacing the broken vase. 2. In many cultures, making amends is a crucial step in healing and forgiveness. Making amends is important because it helps in healing relationships and building trust. It shows that a person is willing to take responsibility for their actions and cares about the impact they have on others. This process is essential in maintaining healthy and respectful relationships. I hope this video has shed light on the phrase, making amends, and its significance in both the English language and in our daily lives. Remember, making amends is not just about saying sorry. It's about taking concrete steps to repair and improve relationships. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to exploring more fascinating aspects of the English language with you.